Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I want to make sure that I thank the host and the co-host. The host is Vee-Ology, and her name is Vandessa. Now, she has three wonderful co-hosts, and they are Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime, Juani of Juani's House, as well as Miss Travina of TMB Designs, now rebranded to Royalty Designs. I thank you again for watching, and I really, really hope that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you will do that today. Tap that bell a couple of different times, or at least 2 times rather, That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And like I like to say at the end of every video, I cannot wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, and thank you for watching.